You know, we were visiting another dealership, and they were talking about how their hands go on the boat, right? And your hands build some of the best product in the world. And that kind of resonated with me. It really stuck with me, and it just kind of like, okay, so what can I do? What can I do to really emphasize the fact that, you know, your hands touch the best product in the world? And in the case of a 420 Outrage, it could be free of some particular product. In the case of a 28 Outrage, they're on par. A 28 Outrage is on par with what we're about to see. So.